Hi, and welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin, and this is a Steinway Model M built in New York in 1937. We just rebuilt this piano. New pin block, strings, refinished case, action, all sorts of Renner hammers. I mean, the works. The piano plays like a dream. I could tell you more about the piano, but one listen is worth 1,000 words. So why don't we start off with something that shows the precision of the action in a classical era sonata movement, just the exposition of this Haydn Sonata in C major. The action is very responsive. The regulation is so much a big part of it, and easing of the bushings so things move well. All of this has been done to this piano, so it will play beautifully for you. Of course, all pianos need to be maintained on that level. So anyway, let's go on now and have something dramatically different. Go to Chopin and listen to, I'm going to play a whole waltz. I won't take quite all the repeats, but this is the A-flat waltz of Frédéric Chopin. very warm, rich tone with a singing quality. When the soundboards are good on a piano, you can get such great results when you replace all the worn action parts like we have, and it looks as gorgeous as it sounds, doesn't it? So now the other side of this, you've heard a classical era piece, bouncy notes, trills, all of that, a beautiful lyrical waltz, now some thunder, all right? Scriabin Etude from the Opus 8 in D sharp minor. You can really sink a lot of energy into this piano and get a rich, rewarding sound. None of that brittleness on lesser instruments. Huge dynamic range. The ability to play pianissimo in all different shadings because of the regulation is all dialed in. You know, when Steinways come new from the factory, they require the same kind of work a rebuilt Steinway requires. They don't come from the factory anywhere close to their potential. So that's what we do here. We get pianos in the top of the line, regulation, concert regulation, and voicing so you can really enjoy this high level performance. And boy, at 5'7", the Model M is so popular, it really smokes the Model S in the bass register at only 6 inches longer, and it's so rewarding, and new, they cost about the same price. I guess if you're really cramped in space, you have to get a Model S. Otherwise, the Model M is a great choice for you. Again, I'm Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.